My dear beloved listeners, I have some dreadful news for you. My beloved wife bought me this magic potion with a mystery flavor in it. And while trying to unseal it, I dropped it, and its bottom broke, spilling everywhere. It's going to be delicious. It was a magic potion with a mystery flavor. Green and delicious. I tasted just a little. Oh, good. And it came with this magic potion tablet. Introduce the tablet. Would you dare to taste it? And here we are. Scout, eating the paper towels of where I cleaned it up. But wait. Forsooth, an idea comes to me. Peach pie apple wine with natural flavors. That's just peachy. I know, child. The fizzing. Ah. Oh, what is this? Not one, but 3 tablets. Need some more wine. Dare I? I dare. It's not quite having the effect that I hoped it would. I was hoping for a little more fizzy action, you know? This is like dropping 3 Advil into one's wine. Not generally advised. If I add a little bit of the fizzy juice. Just a drop or 2 must be left. See, it's supposed to explode like a volcano.
This is it funny? Yes.
You know, it tastes like Advil. But worse.
No. Oh, okay, then is this? Yes.
This is Scott Frizz for Wednesday night sugar drink fun time. Calling out and signing off.
Yes.
And saying by Jove. We've done it again. Cheers.